guys, and welcome to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious kielbasa and potato soup that is so flavorful and so warm and cozy that you're definitely going to want more than one bowl. Merry COOKMAS Day 28. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for another episode of COOKMAS. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this wonderful, lavish, and lovely kielbasa potato soup. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the kielbasa and potato soup. As you can see, it's filled with more than just the kielbasa sausage and the potatoes. We've got the carrots, the celery, the onions. That makes a phenomenal flavor combo there, as well as the potatoes and that kielbasa. Everything comes together for a wonderful bowl of soup. Definitely ready for the winter, or just give this a try if you want to try something new. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the flavors in today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had kielbasa and potato soup before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during the COOKMAS season. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.